Hello everyone, welcome to PythonVibes YouTube channel. In this channel, we will be posting all the Python-based interview questions and answers along with the explanation. These videos will help you to understand Python basics and advanced concepts and build your Python programming logics. In today's video, we will see what is Python. Python is a high-level interpreted and dynamically typed programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. So it was created by Gudo and Rossum and released in 1991. When we compare with Java, Java was released in 1995 even though it was created in the mid of 1990s. But when it comes to the release years, Python has been released a way before than the Java. Python was released in 1991 but Java was released in 1995. So when we say Python is a high level language, what does that mean? So when we call any language is a high level language, that means that particular language is designed to be human readable and easily understood by humans. So if we look at the Python code, if we take two variables a equal to 12, b equal to 2, sum result equals to a plus b. So if we read this code, we can simply understand that we are summing up a and b. There are two variables and each has their own values, and we are summing up the two values and we are capturing into another variable called sum result. So if we print the sum result, we can see that whatever the sum addition of these two values will come, that would be written as our output. So when we say it's a high level language, so Python syntax is clean and it is easy to understand, just like any natural language like in English. So that is how we can say that Python is a high level language. And next, coming to interpreted language, when we say any language is interpreted language, in case of Python, what is happening? So it is not required to do a separate compilation step before running our code. So basically whatever the code we have written here, so that is going to execute line by line and Python interpreter will execute it immediately. So there is no need to do some separate compilation steps so that it will generate say machine level code or an intermediary representation. So basically Python uses its interpreter and runtime environment to execute Python code. In Python, we don't have a Python virtual machine directly. It's already been a part of Python interpreter. So that Python interpreter will takes care of everything. Like it will read the code line by line and on the fly it will decide the data types and values, whatever the calculations or modifications, whatever it has to do, whatever we specify in the file in our source code, those all things will be read line by line and it will give us the result. If it is resulting any exception or anything, then in the mid of that at that line itself it will give us the error. So that is how we can say that Python is an interpreted language. And coming to dynamically typed language, when we say Python is a dynamically typed language, that means you don't need to declare the data type of a variable explicitly. Like the data type is determined at the runtime based on the assigned value. Like here we have directly assigned the value 12 to the variable a. We are not mentioning that this is an integer variable or this is going to be a string data type or such things we are not doing. Even after capturing this result, we can assign this value variable with some different values like hi. This can be another new value we can assign it to variable a. So that is how on the fly also we can change the type of a variable. So during the program execution, it can change it. So that is how we can say that Python is a dynamically typed language. So in the conclusion, we can say that Python is a combination of high-level interpreted and dynamically typed languages. Actually, it's a beginner-friendly language that promotes rapid development and encourages the code readability. So these characteristics also make Python suitable for wide range of applications from development, web development and data analysis to scientific computing and artificial intelligence, machine learning. So in such cases, we are using the Python as a main programming language. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, kindly share and subscribe to PythonVibes YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.